Well, I guess it is what you're doing.
Driving.
What's the mission this time?
Not to fall asleep while driving.
I was gonna say get another puppy, but okay.
Safety is number one priority. Full-time RV life, real full-time RV folks. Hey folks, yeah. So we are here once again at the Houston SPCA. I think we've lost our minds. What did you do? Again?
Of course. That was mission accomplished for today.
So, I don't know if you guys know about them, but every time we get a new pet, we like to go to the SPCA here in Houston because they do a lot of good things for pets, rescuing them out of bad situations and finding better homes for them. Cute cat. Diggy diggy. Hey there, puppy. Who's that? Who's that?
Good news is we're visiting family right now, so we're not making that drive today.
Alright, congratulations!
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Hey,
Who's that?
that is unknown name yet. Not named.
Hey, what did you do? What did you do?
I got a friend.
What happened to Ollie?
She's a big sister. Ollie's a big sister to a sister.
Oh
I'll
no.
go sister.
Let's go see what Ollie thinks about that.
Yeah, I am. She's so strong. Ooh. See? Scoot down there. Scoot down there. Come here, sweetie. I'm gonna hop up. Come on. Ollie. No. She's so strong. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, ow, 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 ow.
Be that, be nice.
Be nice. Did you see her kiss Ollie? Look at her kissing Ollie. Yeah. Oh, look at her kissing Ollie.
Yeah.
Ollie.
Who growled?
Ollie. You grabbed that donut.
Alfred, try it. Alfred, I mean, what a happy time. Yeah. Please, so much for me.
All right, folks. Remember, be grateful, not hateful. Till next time. Bye.